Welcome back to the Kuryakyn Garage. On this episode, we've got some electronic goodies for your handlebars. We've got some switches for the top of your master cylinder, a battery gauge so you can keep an eye on your voltage, and we've got an accessory mount for a GPS or an iPod or anything you'd like to use, or we have a power point you could use to charge your devices. So let's get started on the first piece. Okay, so the first piece we're going to install is going to be the Kuryakyn Accessory Switch here. Now each one of these switches is a 12 volt, 10 amp switch, so that should give you plenty enough power for any of your little electronic devices. They've also given you plenty enough wires so you can run this just about wherever you need to go on the bike. This is going to install right on top of the master cylinder like this, but first we got to get this stock master cylinder off. Next, we mount the mounting bracket for the switch housing using the factory screws. Next, we can install the switch housing right on top of the mounting bracket. Next, we can run your wiring harness next to the throttle cables and run them wherever you need them to go. So the next piece we're going to install is going to be this battery gauge here. Now this is going to mount down inside the left pocket here underneath where the handlebars are. Now we're going to run the wires inside of this pocket here, so I've already pulled the pins out so we can take the pocket out. That way you've just got a positive and a negative, and there's plenty of wiring harnesses in there. You could find a positive and a ground for this battery gauge. Okay, the next piece that we're going to install is going to be this accessory mount. Now keep in mind that you can also use the Kuryakyn power point on the left side perch here, but we've decided to go with the accessory mount on this bike. First thing we're going to do is remove the cap that covers the screws. And we're going to take out one bolt at a time. Now the kit comes with multiple threads and multiple length screws, so make sure you match them up with the correct ones. Now we're going to mount up the perch with the supplied spacers. Now we can add the accessory mount plate. And that's all there is to it. Okay, and that wraps it up for handlebar electronic goodies. Until next time, we'll see you then.